Hello guys, welcome to my new video, and in this video I am going to share you about my experience about my new credit card, which is SBI BPCL Octane, and I'm going to share why I have chosen this card and what are the advantages of it and the benefits of it. Okay, so let's get started. So this is my new credit card, SBI BPCL Octane. The packaging is premier, and on the back hand side you can see a SBI card along with their collaboration with Bharat Petroleum, because this is a BPCL card, which is Bharat Petroleum card for fuel. So there are various types of credit cards available in India, and one of them is fuel cashback cards. So this is one of that, and this is one of the best fuel cashback cards, but there is a terms and conditions. I will discuss it on later. So let's unbox this credit card. This is the box. The box looks really nice and premium. It's like a diary. Again, SBI card and Bharat Petroleum logo on the back, and you can notice here one really cool design of like that fuel pump hand machine kind of thing, which just delivered the fuel, so which indicates like this is a fuel card, and it reminds you like you are getting fuel right? Very nice touch from both whoever has made it. And on the front hand side we can see one logo in a circle which resembles petroleum, either diesel or petrol, and it says the road to reward starts here. It's really a rewarding card. Let's see. So once you open, you will see one template which will be having your address notifications, along with on the right hand side you will find your trade limits, cash limits, when will be the statement date, and all those details. And this will be holding the card as well. Let me show you. So this is the card. This is how it looks. SBI BPCL Octane. This is not my card, obviously. Here was my card placed, and here are some important awareness readings which will be beneficial for you if you it says you about what to do online for any help, and how to change your user ID and passwords, all those guide. So next we see one piece of a cardboard which is blank. I thought, where is my card? I thought this would be having my card, but it was not, because the card was here, attached here. We see one black color ribbon also. It's a nice touch. And then we see another template which says kind of a welcome note, and it says about the benefits and rewards. Okay, this will come later. Next we see one kind of a guidebook, notebook, which tells you about the features of the card with examples. So let's explore this first. So this is the card. This is the way it looks. It looks premium. It has an NFC. It has a Bharat Petroleum logo on the left hand side topmost part, and it's the cheapest. And on the right hand side we can see SBI card, and this is a Visa signature. So there are various types of Visa cards, which is classic, platinum, signature, and infinite. So this comes under signature. So let's see let's explore the features. So first thing, when you are when this card is provided to you, you get welcome point of rupees welcome reward points of 6,000, which is equivalent to rupees 1,500. Okay, and this will be only credited to you once you pay the annual payment fees, which is 1499 plus GST. So here is a cool thing to notice about that. When you are paying, suppose we are excluding GST, so let's assume the annual fee of the card is 1500, which in reality is 1499. So I am considering it as 1500 only. So if you are paying 1500, in return you are getting 6000 reward points, which is equivalent to again rupees 1500, which you can redeem it either to BPCL or any other reward portal, or any other rewards that can be redeemed at SBI rewards portal. Alright, so this is a very good, whatever you are paying, you are getting it back. And mind it, if you are spending, there is a spending waiver reversal also. So if you spend around 2 lakhs from this card in a year, you no need to pay that card fees, which is around 1500. So this is only explained here, spend based reversal benefit. You have to spend 2 lakhs and your card fees will be waived off. And now the most important feature, this card is a fuel cashback credit card. So for every 100 you spend on BPCL retail outlets, okay, that may be for lubricants, buying of lubricants, that can be for Bharat Gas, okay, that can be for Bharat Petroleum products like petrol and diesel as well. So for every 100 you spend on Bharat Petroleum product, you will get rupees 7.25. That is pretty amazing, man. And believe me, this is the highest cashback fuel card available at this moment of this video. So this is very good rewarding point. The reward ratio is very good, rupees 7.25 for every 100. Okay, only terms and condition is you have to swipe this card, or you can pay through scan also. That will be from, you have to download a BPCL application, which is Smart Drive. I have downloaded, and through that you can pay that. But this cashback reward, which is around rupees 7.25, the highest in India, you can only avail this feature, this rewards, if you use this card only at Bharat Petroleum, not at Indian Oil, not at HP, Hindustan Petroleum, not at Shell, not at any other petroleum pumps like Reliance. You have to pay, you have to use this card to get these benefits only on Bharat Petroleum. And not only that, so this is a fuel card. Apart from that, it also rewards you on various segments, like when you are dining, departmental stores, groceries and movies. So for this criteria, whatever I have mentioned, for every 100 you spend on dining, departmental stores, grocery and movies, you are getting 10 reward points, which is equivalent to rupees 2.5, which is again a very good reward ratio comparatively to other cards. For every 100 rupees 2.5. Okay, and the next benefit it gives you is, if you spend, this is a milestone benefit, so if you spend around 2 lakhs in a year, okay, sorry, 3 lakhs in a year, 2 lakh for fee reversal and 3 lakhs for this milestone, another milestone, which is you will be getting rupees 2,000, which you can spend on Aditya Birla Fashion, Yatra, Urban Ladder, Hush Puppies and Bata. Rupees 2,000 voucher, you can utilize this voucher on any of the said categories. Next, another benefit which is good, but I think it can be a better. Why good? Because this benefit is regarding launch access, which you'll be getting 4 in a year, means 1 per quarter, which I believe per quarter there should be 2, because normally when people travels via airport, there should be, in most of the cases, will be you'll be going out and you'll be coming in back. So for going, you'll be getting 1 launch access, and for coming in, flying back, you will be getting 1 launch access. But with this card you will get only one, which you can utilize in either going or coming back. So here I believe there should be 2 launch access per quarter at least. And I believe that is all from the benefits of this card as per fuel. So let me talk about the advantages and disadvantages. The only advantages of this card is if you are staying nearby a Bharat Petroleum pump, or if you are fueling near Bharat Petroleum pump, which means it will be beneficial for you if you fuel at Bharat Petroleum, not in other petroleum pumps. Okay, so mind that to get that cashback you have to fill up your vehicle only at Bharat Petroleum. And the disadvantage is you have to find a Bharat Petroleum pump every time you fuel it. But you can use it at other petroleum pumps also, but there you won't be getting the 7.25 cashback. That's the only disadvantage. Okay, so that's all from this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please like it. If you have any doubts, please comment it. If you have any doubts regarding how to process and what are any sort of doubts regarding SBI card, how to get redeem these points, okay, for any other doubts you can comment and I will surely reply you back. Till then, stay safe, wash hands, wear a mask and keep others safe.